eyeshadow. No makeup allowed.
Don't worry, I'll help you get makeup.
Hold on, let me see your badge. Alright, checks out. Here you go.
Thank you.
Wait, hold on. I need to go through your bag.
Okay.
Okay, no makeup. Go ahead.
You're here. Don't worry, I've got your makeup.
Alright, I'm on my way.
Okay, prisoner, are you ready for your eye exam? Yes, Dr. Lily.
I taped the brush to the pen. I think it's working.
Boring.
Thanks, Lily.
What's taking so long, Doc?
Just being thorough, Officer Max. Yeah, I have really bad eyesight.
Move, prisoner. I need to get my eyes checked. Alright, come on, Doc.
Okay, just put this over one eye.
T O H
Just read the other line.
F
Ooh. Oh!
G E. Huh?
Oops, sorry.
Oh, I can see it again. LEFODPCT. Thanks, Doc.
Phew, that was a close one. This is the perfect setup.
Huh? What's that noise?
Oh no!
What's all that shuffling over here?
Nothing. I just really miss my boyfriend.
You can't fool me. Give me that.
See, it's just my boyfriend, Lil Kev.
Lil Kev, the #1 rapper? Yeah, right. Huh? What's this? What do we have here? You know the rules. No makeup allowed. You get toilet duty for the rest of the week.
Oh, I wish I could go outside. And I could get a tan. Or bronzer could do the trick. This is a perfect bronzer. June is gonna love this. Time to give June her chocolate milk. Snack time. Today we're having chocolate milk. Ooh, chocolate!
Hold on. You know the drill. Okay, it's fine.
Enjoy your chocolate milk! Oh, Lily's the best!
Huh? Hey, what are you doing down there?
Just laying here, officer.
I don't trust you. Get up, it's inspection time.
Oh man.
What are you doing? Why do you look so suspicious? Here, get up, move.
See? Nothing.
Fine, carry on.
makeup.
I have eyeliner and a twistable color pencil. First, twist everything out. Then, remove the color pencil. Then take the eyeliner and put it in your pencil. Now, these are ready to send to June. Delivery for prisoner June.
Do I know you?
No, this is my first day.
Alright, well, hold on. I need to inspect this first. Okay, just colored pencils, that's fine.
Okay, have a nice day, officer.
Lily is so great.
3 times over in 5 minutes. Didn't you hear me? Is that makeup on your face? Hand them over.
Oh man. Feeling so relaxed.
Alright, prisoner, lights out.
Okay, officer.
Okay. Huh? Hey, I said lights out!
I heard you, officer. Just finishing up the chapter.
Let me see that book.
Here. See, there's nothing in it.
There's nothing in here. Here's your book.
Thanks.
Huh? What is that?
It's just a tissue. The book was really moving. See? Just tissues.
Fine, but lights out.
Phew.
Time to make some fruity lipstick for June. Cut out the core. Now put the lipstick inside the apple. Time to deliver this to June. Someone order fruits?
Oh, these look good. Go ahead.
All right, enjoy your apple.
Ooh.
What's all that noise over there? Are you playing with makeup?
I'm just eating my apple.
Okay, fine, but keep it down.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Bye.